Hello out there, welcome to Pista Crypto. So in this video I'm going to introduce an app to you. And what does this app do? This app enables you to make money while taking a walk. Okay, now let's just take for example, if you're the type that normally loves to exercise a lot outdoor, and if you're the type that loves to actually run, and apart from that, even if you don't love to exercise, you can still make money. How is this going to be possible? Now, let's say you're taking a walk to the next metro station. You're taking a walk to the next neighborhood. You're going to see a friend, or you're going out to see family members, or even wherever you're going. Once you are walking, okay, once you're walking, you're making money. It's very simple and easy to use. All you've got to do is just to install this app on your phone, on the notification, and it will start running automatically. And another thing is that it calculates by steps. So because 1,000 steps of generates you one Sweatcoin. So imagine if you were to calculate how many steps you take or during the day, it exceeds that, so you can make more. And also, if you want to gain more sweat coins, you can as well invite your friends and family. They can join you, okay, and be making probably partake in this opportunity. Sweatcoin will be launching this summer. Okay, it's a good thing, but if you cannot wait till the launching date, you can as well use the coin that you have generated, okay, to buy things online. Amazon is accepting it, and other platforms are currently accepting it. So yeah, that's it. So I'll be leaving the description and the link down the description section. If you would want to partake in this opportunity, you're free to get it done. It's all free. The application is free. Nothing is required. Just get in and start making money for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share with family, so that those that are interested in this kind of opportunity will hop in and start making money with you. Until my next video, Peter K4.